setting new standards for safer, more innovative welding protection. Introducing Arcshield, an auto-darkening welding goggle with Clipshield. With its compact and lightweight design, the Arcshield enables long hours of work to be carried out with greater comfort, even in confined spaces. The Arcshield 2 Air series offers versatile usage in 3 modes for different environments. The auto-darkening goggles alone can be used for welding and cutting. The additional use of AIR and Visor shields ensures enhanced face protection in TIG welding. When the skirt and band cause discomfort, our patented smart bracket-equipped headgear set allows for easy angle and distance adjustments, as well as smooth lifting and lowering of the visor shield. Use of the visor headgear enables easy MIG welding. Arcshield 2 Air takes our innovations to the next level. The upgraded air vent effectively dissipates heat from the eyes and prevents fogging, enhancing work efficiency. In addition, the natural color display, which closely resembles true-to-life colors, along with the premium LCD welding filter with Class 1 optical certification in Europe, provides a brighter and sharper view. The anti-glare feature and consistent shading helps reduce eye fatigue even during extended work sessions. The ultra-high-speed pre-shading RF sensor detects high frequencies during welding and provides faster and more powerful arc shielding than a photo sensor. This sensor features Cervere's exclusive patented technology, ensuring stable shading capability in low-current TIG welding and preventing unintended opening during structure and mirror welding. The Auto Power On-Off function built into the Arcshield 2 Air enables immediate operation without pressing a power button, while the Grind Easy button and LED indicator make grinding tasks more convenient. Arcshield 2 Air prioritizes not only convenience but also safety. Welding fumes and backlight glare pose potential threats to the eyes and health of welders. The silicone skirt of the Arcshield 2 Air adheres securely to the wearer's face, effectively protecting the eyes from harmful fumes and backlight. Its compact and lightweight design helps prevent neck and shoulder pain, while the visor shield extends protection to the forehead. Additionally, the dedicated bracket allows for easy attachment of the safety helmet. Cervere's powered respirator, Goggles air mask, keeps welders safe from welding fumes and gases. Arcshield 2 Air ensures worker safety and productivity in semiconductor plant construction, shipbuilding, and industrial plants. The Arcshield 2 Air series features products of registered patents and industrial designs, and has been recognized for its performance with KCS, CE, CSA, and ANSI certifications, as well as by international customers. The future of welders begins with Arcshield 2 Air, the smart welding solution.